एक मिनट बस हाँ
Start?
परफेक्ट
Okay guys, illustration 11. We are on page number 8.126 of your study material. Let us pay attention to illustration 11. Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram are partners of Messrs. Great Stationers, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1:1:2. On 31st of March, their balance sheet was as under. Capital Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram. General reserve. What will happen to general reserve? Will be distributed to Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram in the ratio 1:1:2. Loan from Satyam. Sundry creditors, building, plant, investment, stock, trade receivable and bank. This is the first sum that you are getting, which has a loan from a partner before the retirement has happened. देखिए रिटायरमेंट के बाद पार्टनर छोड़ के चला गया, रिटायरमेंट के बाद पार्टनर छोड़ के चला गया, उसकी सेटलमेंट आपने की नहीं, उसको लोन आपने ले लिया, उसका बात अलग है। यहाँ पे तो क्वेश्चन के शुरुआत से ही पार्टनर का लोन है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। 1 अप्रैल 2020 शिवम रिटायर्ड ऑन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स, गड़बड़ बढ़ गई। लोन इज गिवन बाय सत्यम, रिटायर हो रहा है शिवम, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया। नाउ वेरी गुड, स्मार्ट। Goodwill is to be valued at 1,20,000, but the same will not appear as an asset in the books of the reconstituted firm. What is the meaning of this? You have been given the goodwill. जो भी रिटायरिंग पार्टनर है उसका शेयर लो, मल्टीप्लाई दैट बाय गुडविल और कॉम्पेंसेशन की एंट्री मारो इन द रेशियो ऑफ गेन। सरप्राइजिंगली अभी तक टिल द फर्स्ट लाइन मुझे नया रेशो पता नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स नीचे दिया होगा शायद, आई एम नॉट सेइंग नो, बट पहले लाइन तक रेशो नहीं है। सेकेंड लाइन, बिल्डिंग्स एप्रिशिएटेड बाय 20%, प्लांट डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 10%, इजी। इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर टेकन ओवर बाय सत्यम इन फुल सेटलमेंट ऑफ हिज लोन। इन्वेस्टमेंट है 85,000 का, सत्यम का लोन है 94,000 का। लायबिलिटीज में लिख के आओगे तो डूब जाओगे, क्योंकि इन फुल सेटलमेंट ऑफ लोन तो 85,000 का सेटलमेंट देके 94,000 का लोन आपने उड़ा दिया है। क्या कर दिया है? उड़ा दिया है। बेसिकली द डिफरेंस इज योर गेन। क्यों? क्यों? लोन कितना था? लायबिलिटी कितने की थी? लायबिलिटी थी 94,000 की, लायबिलिटी थी 94,000 की। सेटल कितने में की? 85। ज्यादा लायबिलिटी कम का एसेट देके सेटल किया कि नहीं? कितना है डिफरेंस? गेन। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? 9,000 इज योर गेन। व्हाट इज दैट? दैट्स योर गेन। सर हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड? अभी करेंगे ना, अभी करेंगे, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। नेक्स्ट, प्रोविजन ऑफ 5% ऑन ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स टू कवर डाउटफुल डेट्स। ये तो आप कर रहे हो काफी वक्त से। In the reconstituted firm, the total capital will be 3 lakh. Reconstituted firm मतलब क्या? Reconstituted firm मतलब वो firm जो शिवम के बाद चलेगी। Reconstituted capital will be 3 lakhs, which will be contributed by Satyam and Sundaram in their new profit sharing ratio, which is 2:3. मतलब ये जो 3 लाख रुपया रहेगा, ये नया कैपिटल होगा, ये क्लोजिंग कैपिटल बैलेंस होगा। ये किस रेशो में हमें चाहिए? 2:3 रेशो में हमें चाहिए। ये होगा क्लोजिंग बैलेंस फिगर ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट। ये क्या होगा? क्लोजिंग बैलेंस फिगर ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट। क्यों? क्योंकि ये कैपिटल है। कैपिटल मतलब क्लोजिंग बैलेंस जो आप बैलेंस शीट में ट्रांसफर करोगे। सर नहीं, ओपनिंग बैलेंस। बेटा ओपनिंग बैलेंस 190 by 148 112 है, ये क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है। कितना है? 3 लाख टोटल इन द रेशियो ऑफ 2:3। 2:3 मतलब कितना आएगा? 3 लाख को तोड़ो 2:3 रेशियो में। 3 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 5 60,000 मतलब 1,20,000 and 1,80,000 is your closing capital balances. They are already given to you. They are already given to you. Next, the amount due to the retiring partner should be transferred to his loan account. Straightforward sum. 3 major adjustments. Sir, what are the 3 major adjustments? First major adjustment, Satyam's loan. Second major adjustment, of course, always goodwill. Third major adjustment, the closing balance of capital. And you may say fourth major adjustment is the transfer of balance to the loan account. Are we clear about this? Yes. So let us begin our question. Of course, we begin stepwise. 1 second. Retirement of partner के steps क्या है? First step, sir, we will calculate the ratios. Second step, sir, we will calculate the goodwill. Third step, we will do the journal entry for the goodwill. Fourth step, we will do the revaluation of profit and loss adjustment account. Fifth, we will do the partner's capital account. Sixth, we will do the balance sheet. Retirement is finished. So we begin with our first step. What is our step number 1? Ratio. What is the name of the partners? Satyam Shivam Sundaram. It was a very famous movie, by the way.
Yeah.
It had Shashi Kapoor in it. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. I think it was Shashi Kapoor and Zeenat Aman. It was a fantastic classic movie. Next, let us begin. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Profit and loss sharing ratio 1:1:2. Old ratio 1:1:2. Now 1:1:2 means what? 1/4. 1/4 and 2/4. Sir, 1/4, 1/4, 2/4. Sir, Satyam has 25%. Sir, Shivam has 25%. And Sir, Sundaram has 50%. Okay. The new ratio is given to you as 2:3. Let us take that into account. What is the new ratio? 2:3. Sir, if it is 2:3, that means this ratio is nothing but. Oh, I'm sorry. Shivam is going. Sir, the new ratio is 2:3. So Shivam is retiring. Okay. 2:3. What is the ratio now going to be? 2/5 and 3/5. Let us pay attention. 2/5 is how much? Sir, 40%. Sir, pehle he was having 25. Now it is becoming 40. Sir, gain pakka. Sir, gain pakka. Sir, 2/4. Sir, 50%. Now he is getting sir 60%. Sir, gain pakka. Gain pakka. दोनों को gain ratio हो रहा है. Let us calculate the gains. Let us calculate the gains. Now gain. First for whom? Satyam. So what is the calculation for gain? Gain is new minus old. Let us talk about Satyam first. What is new? 2/5. What is old? 1/4. चलो ले लो इसको 20 कर देंगे. 4 5s are 5 4s are 4 5s are 2 4s are 8 5 1s are 5 3/20. Satyam is gone. Shivam. What will be Shivam's ratio? Shivam again will be. Oh sorry, Shivam is retiring. वो मेरे दिमाग में नहीं बैठ रहा. I'm used to the last name retiring. Institute की चाल. Sundaram. What is Sundaram? Sundaram is 3/5 minus 2/4. Not 5. 2/4. It is 20. So here I got 4. Here I got 5. This will become 12. This will become 10. Here. So what is your gain ratio? 3:2 is your gain ratio. 3:2 is your gain ratio. Have they outrightly given you goodwill in the question? Yes, sir. They have outrightly given me goodwill in the question. What is the natural next entry value the goodwill given? It is 20,000. 1,20,000. So what is goodwill? Goodwill of the firm is how much?
1,20,000.
इसमें रिटायरिंग पार्टनर कौन है?
शिवम.
मैं इतने बार भूल गया कि वो शिवम है, इसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. रिटायरिंग पार्टनर शिवम्स शेयर हाउ मच? 1/4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1,20,000. कितना हो गया? 30,000. 30,000 का कॉम्पनसेशन कौन किसे देगा? सत्यम और सुंदरम शिवम को देंगे. किस रेशो में? 3:2 रेशो में. चलो, व्हाट इज द जर्नल एंट्री? Sir, Shivam is leaving. His capital balance should increase. Sir, Shivam's capital will be credited. Sir, Satyam and Sundaram are gaining. They will give the compensation. So their capital balance will be reduced. Sir, the journal entry will be Satyam capital account debit, Sundaram capital account debit to Shivam's capital account. Are we clear about this? Yes or no? Let us pass the journal entry. So the entry is Satyam capital account debit. Sundaram capital account debit to Shivam capital account. How much? Sir, Shivam's capital will be 30,000. Sir, Satyam will be 3/2 मतलब 3/5 and sir Sundaram will be 2/5. So how much? 6,000, 18,000 and sir 12,000. Sir, we have finished the first 3 steps of this question. How? Step 1, everybody, calculation of ratios. Step 2, determination of goodwill. Step 3, distribution of goodwill in the gaining ratio is done. Is done. Sir, what is the third step? Third step, what are we going to do? Profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. But I want you to put a star on general reserve. I want you to put a star on general reserve so that you don't forget that general reserve has to be posted to the partner's capital account.
सर सत्यम का 2.5 है, आपने उधर 3.5 लिखा है.
Satyam is 3 ना?
No, 2.
Satyam is 3. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4.
सही है सर.
3 by this. You are copying ना when you are supposed to pay attention. Ding 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 ding. चलो pay attention. Satyam and Sundaram are taken care of. Now. General reserve. मैंने क्या बोला? General reserve को ध्यान से रखना. Answer my question, basic question. Please focus. Answer my question, basic question. General reserve को कौन सा बैलेंस है? Credit balance. General reserve किसे मिलेगा? All the partners in the existing ratio. एंट्री बोलो. जनरल रिजर्व कम हुआ, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बढ़ गया. जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. व्हाट इज द रेशियो? 1:1:2. व्हाट इज योर जनरल रिजर्व? 80,000. व्हाट इज योर जनरल रिजर्व? 80,000. मतलब 2 और 1 3 और 1 4. 20,000 20,000 40,000. बराबर है सर. पास द एंट्री. जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच? 80,000. हाउ मच? 80,000. टू सत्यम 1/4. to Shivam 1/4. to Sundaram 2/4. Sir 20 and sir 40. So have we taken care of the general reserve? Yes or no? जनरल रिजर्व हैज बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. गुडविल हैज बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. ओपनिंग बैलेंस तो आपको दिख रहा है, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस आपको मालूम है. विजुअलाइज मेंटली. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल ना आधा बोलते बोलते ना उड़ा दिया हम लोग ने. वापस सर ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया है, बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. सर जनरल रिजर्व की पोस्टिंग हो गई, सर गुडविल की पोस्टिंग हो गई. सर अब क्या बचा? ओनली 3 थिंग्स आर लेफ्ट. सर व्हाट आर दोस 3 थिंग्स? नंबर 1 प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट और रिवैल्यूएशन. सर सत्यम्स लोन अकाउंट. सर नंबर 3 सेटलमेंट टू शिवम ऑन हिज रिटायरमेंट. एंड सर फोर्थ वन तो सर ऑलरेडी हमें पता है क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इट इज 120 एंड 180 रिस्पेक्टिवली. आर वी क्लियर अबाउट इट? नाउ कैन वी fearlessly go towards the profit and loss adjustment or revaluation, whatever they are calling it. Here they are giving us what? They are saying you are required to give journal entries. Oh, please pay attention. They are saying give the journal entries. तो चलो this journal entry is recorded, this journal entry is also recorded. तो ये आपका fair work हो जाएगा. You are going to draw a journal. You are going to draw a journal. By the way, now what are they saying? They are saying give the journal entries. मैं दे दूंगा journal entries, no doubt about it. But मैं P&L एडजस्टमेंट या रिवैल्यूएशन पहले बनाऊंगा. इफ इन द क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग यू इन द एग्जामिनेशन गिव ओनली जर्नल एंट्रीज, गिव द जर्नल एंट्रीज बट ऑलवेज इन रफ. मेक द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट का बैलेंसिंग फिगर ही पार्टनर्स कैपिटल को क्लोज करवाएगा. और जर्नल एंट्री देख के डेबिट क्रेडिट के टैलिंग में एग्जाम में गड़बड़ हो सकती है. होगी ऐसा नहीं बोलता, इतनी प्रैक्टिस करो कि ना हो, लेकिन रिवैल्यूएशन को बनाना जरूरी. आर यू विथ मी? रफ में बना लो गप गप करके, बट बना लेने का. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. मैं फेयर बना रहा हूं बिकॉज वी हैव टू इंश्योर दैट ऑल द थिंग्स आर पोस्टेड. सो लेट अस बिगिन विद आवर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. डेबिट क्रेडिट. व्हाट आर द आइटम्स इन द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट? फर्स्ट आइटम, फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट इज ऑफ गुडविल. पुट अ टिक मार्क, इट विल नॉट कम. Second adjustment is building. Sir, building is appreciated by 20%. How much is building? Building is 25,000. 20% मतलब 50,000. कितना? 50,000. Appreciated. Building को कौन सा बैलेंस होता है? Sir, it has a debit balance. Appreciated मतलब increase हुआ. It has increased. So building balance has increased. Building account debit to revaluation account. Can I post over here buy building? How much? 50,000. How did I get 2,50,000 multiplied by 20%? Can I pass the first entry? Sorry. 2,50,000 multiplied by 20%. It's correct. So can we pass the journal entry? profit and loss, or you can say revaluation account debit. Revaluation account debit to building account. Is this entry correct or is this entry wrong? Why is it wrong? Why is it wrong? Because building is appreciating. Focus, appreciating मतलब उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ रही है, depreciate मतलब घट रही है. आई समझ में? चलो, तो building account debit to revaluation account 50,000. देखिए ध्यान से एक बात पे नजर रखिए, आपके ऑलरेडी 2 जर्नल एंट्रीज हो चुके, एक और ये 2. आपको पूरी जर्नल देनी है, तो ये टेक्निकली आपकी तीसरी जर्नल एंट्री बनती है, इस बात को भूलिएगा नहीं. बिल्डिंग इज पोस्टेड. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर दे सेइंग? प्लांट इज डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 10%. प्लांट कितने का है? 1,60,000. तो 10% मतलब 16,000. डेप्रिशिएशन मतलब वैल्यू कम हुआ. प्लांट को कौन सा बैलेंस है? डेबिट बैलेंस. डेबिट को कम करो तो क्या करोगे? क्रेडिट करोगे टू प्लांट अकाउंट. सर 16,000 as per our calculations. So obviously you will say what? Revaluation account debit to plant account. How much? 16,000. Revaluation account debit to plant account. How much? 16,000. Posted? Put a tick mark on your second number adjustment. We have posted it. Investments are to be taken over by Satyam in full settlement of his loan. Fantastic entry. Let us pay attention. My dear friends, please pay attention. Very interesting concept. Satyam's loan is settled. But what balance did Satyam's loan have? Answer my question. Credit balance. क्या अब वो रहा?
नहीं.
अब वो नहीं रहा. Satyam's loan has got credit balance. अब वो नहीं रहा मतलब वो क्या हो जाएगा? डेबिट हो जाएगा. सत्यम्स लोन अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच इज हिज लोन? आई कैन सी दैट इट इज 94,000. अब ये नहीं रहा, अब ये नहीं रहा. इसको खत्म करने के लिए हमने क्या दिया? इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट हैव गॉन आउट. इन्वेस्टमेंट अब नहीं रहा. इन्वेस्टमेंट को कौन सा बैलेंस होता है? डेबिट बैलेंस. पर अगर वो नहीं रहा तो उसे क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट करेंगे. तो टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. कितना है इन्वेस्टमेंट भाई? 85,000. होल्ड ऑन. 94 की लायबिलिटी 85 में सेटल हुई, मतलब कितने का प्रॉफिट हुआ? 9,000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. सर प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. जर्नल एंट्री बोलिएगा जरा. सत्यम्स लोन अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिवैल्यूएशन टू द ट्यून ऑफ 9,000 बाय सत्यम्स लोन. हाउ मच? 9,000. अंडरस्टूड? इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सर सत्यम्स लोन का इंपैक्ट सत्यम के कैपिटल अकाउंट पे जाएगा क्या? जरा भी नहीं. डोंट मेक दैट ब्लंडर. सर वाई? सत्यम का लोन सेपरेटली लायबिलिटी तरीके दिखा रहे ना. अरे तो क्यों उनको मिलाप कर रहे हो भाई? उनका जब भरत मिलाप की जरूरत होगी आपको बता दिया जाएगा. अभी जरूरत नहीं है. इट इज अ सेपरेट लायबिलिटी. उसको सेपरेट ही रखना है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? यस और नो? So Satyam's loan account will not impact his capital account. Please keep that much in mind. Entry number 3, you will please put a tick mark on number 3. Put a tick mark on adjustment number 3. It has been taken care of. Number 4, provision of 5% is to be made on the trade receivables for the doubtful debt. 68,000 है. कितना बन जाएगा? 3,400. 68,000 है. अभी उसे कम करना है. We are making an RDD. So what is the answer? It is revaluation account debit to reserve for doubtful debts. 68,000 multiplied by 5%, it will be 3,400. Please take the accuracy of the numbers. Just take एक बार whether it is 68,000. It is or it is not? Yes. So revaluation account debit to RDD 6,000. Oh sorry, how much? 3,400. 3,400. Okay. Satyam's loan taken care of. Building, this is all taken care of. These 4 items have been posted. Now you can put a tick mark on number 4. Number 5. In the reconstituted, very good example, very important. In the reconstituted form, what is happening? In the reconstituted form, please pay attention. In the reconstituted form, the capital at the closure is going to be 3 lakhs. In the reconstituted form, what are the new ratios? They are 2:3. So ये बटेगा कौन से रेशो में? 2:3 रेशो में बटेगा. 2/5 and 3/5 ये रेशो में ये बटेगा. So can I say that this is going to be 1,20,000 and this is going to be 1,80,000? So this is for Satyam and this is for Sundaram and this is for Sundaram. My dear students, these are the closing capital balances of these respective partners. These balances will go to the new balance sheet. Sir, how do you know this? What makes you say this? The reconstituted firm comes after the retirement of Shivam, yes or no?
Yes.
If there are any capital balances given after the retirement of Shivam, is that not the very balance sheet that they are demanding from you in the question? Yes. That is why this will go to the balance sheet which is a part of your solution. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Well, Sambhaliye. Right? Just pull it out towards the wall. Now, this has been taken care of. Okay. This needs to be balanced now. I can see that there is a profit. I can see that there is a profit. This will balance at how much? 59,000. How much? 59,000. So there is a profit. How much is the profit? 19,000. 40,000 minus 400. 39,600 is your profit. 39,600 will be distributed in what ratio? 1:1:2. So I will say to Satyam, to Shivam, and to Sundaram. How much is this? 19,000?
9,900.
अरे वो तो दोनों का ऊपर वाले का है.
What is Sundaram?
Sundaram
Half of this. 19,038 carry over.
800.
19,800. Divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. Carry over 3. 4 9s are 36. 9,900. बराबर है? बराबर है. 9,900. 19,800. Sir, post this over here. Absolutely. What is the journal entry? Revaluation account debit to Satyam. How much? 9,900. To Shivam. How much? 9,900. To Sundaram. 19,800. Sir, what is the total? 39,600. I'll just write this clearly so that you all don't have an issue later on. 9,900 and 9,900, and this is 19,800. Are we clear about this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
100%? Yes? Done? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Sir, there is no next one. Sir, there is no next one. You have to make the partner's capital account now. Okay. Let us make the partner's capital account now. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. First one is Satyam. Second one, Shivam. And over here I'm just writing Sundar because I cannot write the whole name. Satyam, Shivam, and Sundaram. Alright? Now, what is the opening balance? Buy balance brought down.
195.
What is the opening balance? 195, 148, 112. 195, 148, and 112. Right? Sir, you have made the opening balance posting. Correct? Sir, immediately next, make the general reserve posting. 20, 20, 40. 20, 20, 40. Sir, you made the general reserve posting? Yes, sir. Sir, make the goodwill posting. Satyam capital account debit, Sundaram capital account debit to Shivam capital account. To Shivam capital account. How much in Satyam? How much in Satyam? Sir, 18,000. How much in Shivam? How much in Shivam? Oh, sorry, Sundaram. Sundaram. How much in Sundaram? 12,000. Sir, over here, by Satyam, how much? 18,000. Sir, by Sundaram, 12,000. Sir, goodwill is posted, posted. Sir, general reserve is posted, posted. What is left to be posted in partners capital? Revaluation account. What is the journal entry? Revaluation account debit to Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. So, by revaluation account. How much? 9,900, 9,900 and 19,800. अरे रे लाइन में लिखो 9,900 and 19,800. Revaluation, sir, I posted revaluation. Will anything else feature over here? Am I missing out on anything else in the posting? Yes, sir, you are missing out on a very important detail. Sir, you know the closing balance. What are you waiting for? Sir, there is a hidden adjustment in this question. आप क्लोजिंग बैलेंस तो लिख दोगे, पर बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्या होगा? It will be the money that the partners are bringing into the firm. It will be the money that the partners are bringing. Sir, why will they bring the money? अरे और क्या लेके आएगा पार्टनर? और क्या लेके आएगा? पराठे, समोसे, तंदूरी चिकन. मेरे पसंद की कोई भी चीज वो लेके नहीं आएगा. मेरे पसंद की कोई भी चीज वो लेके नहीं आएगा. वो क्या लेके आएगा? पैसा. What will he bring? पैसा. Understood? That is the balancing figure. और उसका पूरा इम्पैक्ट किस पे पड़ेगा? कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस when you are closing the balance sheet. Let us see. So sir, इसको closing balance कर दो. To balance carried down. Satyam how much? Sir, 1,20,000. Sir, Shivam will not have any closing balance, but Sundaram will have 1,80,000. Sir, what do I do with Shivam? It is clearly given in the last line that it will be transferred to his loan account. So sir, Shivam को close कर देते ना, वैसे loan दे रहा है, खत्म कर देते. 148 plus 20, 168. 168 plus 18. Hurry up. 168 plus 18. 186. 186 plus 12. 198. 198 plus 9,900. 2,07,900. 2,07,900. Over here, anything?
No.
Nothing. To Shivam's loan account. How much? 2,07,900. Sir, pass the journal entry. Yes. शिवम्स कैपिटल अब नहीं रहा, क्या रह गया? शिवम्स लोन अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 2,07,900. 2,07,900. Are we clear about this entry? Yes, sir, we are clear about this entry. Now, sir, it's the real game. It's time to balance. It's time to balance. Please notice the following statements that I am going to make. 1,95,000 plus 20,000. It is 2,11,15. 2,11,000. Sorry, 2,15,000. I beg your pardon. 2,15,000. 2,15,000 plus 9,900. 2,24,900. Sir, 2,24,900 was his total capital balance. Hold on. कैश या तो लेके आएगा या तो लेके जाएगा. सर 2,24,900. He is required obligatory to maintain how much? 1,20,000. He is required by an obligation to maintain how much?
1,20,000.
तो ज्यादा पैसा तो घर पे लेके जाएगा ना, बच्चों को पिकनिक लेके जाएगा, मम्मी को पिक्चर दिखाएगा. Are you with me? Are you understanding? Sir, what about his wife? Death of partner. She is no more. Understanding? Okay. उसका बैलेंस कितना है? टोटल कितना है? 224. मतलब वो फर्म में इन्वेस्टेड कितना है? 224. हाउ मच? उसका फर्म में अटका कितना पैसा है? 224. सर उसमें से 18,000 उसका कम हो गया क्योंकि उसने शिवम को कॉम्पेंसेशन दे दिया. सर 120 उसका बैलेंस रहेगा. सर व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? 224 माइनस 120. 124,900. सर 124,900 माइनस 18,000. सर 1,06,900. करेक्ट? 1,06,900. यस और नो? कैलकुलेट. बैलेंसिंग फिगर चाहिए मुझे.
86,900.
Oh sorry, how much? 86,900. How much? Okay, 224 minus 120. 1,04,000. Sorry, 1,04,000. Okay, 86,900. Sir, ये तो excess है उसका investment. What will he do with this? He will take it away in cash. To cash. Satyam withdrew money from the firm. It can be looked at as drawings also. It can be looked at as a withdrawal. In simple terms, it is called drawings. It is called drawings. Sir, इसकी journal entry आएगी, बिल्कुल आएगी. Satyam's capital account debit to cash. How much? 86,900. सर आपने ऐसा स्पेस्ड आउट क्यों लिखा? अरे सपोज इसका भी अगर ये साइड पे आएगा तो साथ में एक एंट्री में मार दूंगा. नाउ इसको खत्म कर दो. 1,12,000 plus 40,000, 1,52,000, 1,52,000 plus 19,800, मतलब 152 plus 19, 171,800, 171,800, 171,800. सर अनर्थ हो गया, सर अनर्थ हो गया, सर ये तो कम है. सर सुंदर is invested to the tune of 171,800 in the firm. But sir, Sundar should be invested to the tune of 1,92,000. Sundar, yes sir. दिल चाहे पैसा, हाँ ये पैसा. Show me the money. Bring money into the firm. How much? You are invested by how much? 171,800. ये चल 192 चाहिए तेरे से. क्या चाहिए तेरे से? 192 चाहिए. तो कितना लेके आएगा? How much will you get? How much will you get? Come on. How much? 20,200 तू लेके आएगा. By cash account. How much? 20,200 तू क्या करेगा? लेके आएगा. So यहाँ पे I am passing the entry Shivam's capital to cash 86,900 and I am passing Sundar's I am passing cash account debit. I am passing cash account debit to Sundar's capital, which is 20,200. Which is how much? 20,200. 20,200. Correct? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. 1,92,000 पे अकाउंट आपका टैली हो गया. Sir, our journal is ready. Ready. Sir, our partners capital is ready. Ready. Sir, our P&L is revaluation is ready. Ready. Sir, what is left? Balance sheet. Balance sheet. What is the date of the balance sheet? Balance sheet. I'm sorry. Loan account is automatically finished. Loan account is automatically finished. Sir, how you are saying it is finished? Chalo. Loan account by balance brought down. How much was the loan amount? It was 94,000. Nida, check in your book. 94,000. Correct?
85.
Yes or no? Loan के बदले में क्या मिला उसको? Investment. To investment. 85,000. Sir, you have transferred the balance to revaluation. Of course, because it is a grain. Because of this 94,000 पे loan account automatically क्या हो गया? अब वो नहीं रहा. He is gone. खत्म. Okay? Balance sheet. As on what is the date? What is the date? 1st April 2020. Sir, first write down capital balances. Okay. In capital balances, first I have Satyam. Sir, Satyam is 1,20,000. Sir, Sundar
1,80,000.
is 1,80,000. Sir, we have Shivam's loan. Sir, Shivam's loan is 2,07,900. Okay, the big ones are gone. Are we left with any sundry creditors?
Yes, yes.
75. And was there any adjustment to creditors? No, sir. So, sir, creditors will be how much? 75,000. Sir, with this, we will be able to close down the liability side of the balance sheet. Please take a total. 3 lakh, 5,07,900, 5,82,900. Am I right? How much?
3 lakh, 5 lakhs.
ये 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 5,07,900, 5,82,900. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
5,82,900. 5,82,900 is the closing balance of the balance sheet. देखो ना ये 3 लाख, 2 लाख 7,000, 5 लाख 7,900, 75, 75 and 7, 82, 5,82,900. Sir, start posting all your assets. Hold on to your guns now. Please pay attention. सबसे पहला building. Sir, building was 250. It increased by 50,000. Sir, please pay attention. Building was how much? 250. It increased by how much? 50,000. So what is the building? 3 lakhs. Sir, plant. Sir, plant was how much? Plant was 1,60,000. Plant was 1,60,000. उस पे क्या कटा? Depreciation कितना कटा? 16,000. Sir, now it is 1,44,000. Plant is posted, building is posted. Sir, RDD, matlab what are we looking at? We are looking at debtors. How much are our debtors?
68,000.
Don't write debtors, write trade receivables. What are you supposed to write? Write trade receivables. How much are trade receivables? 68,000. What is the RDD? Sir, it is 3,400. What is the difference? 64,600. Sir, debtors are posted. Sir, debtors are posted. Sir, is there any other thing? There is stock. Was there any adjustment for stock? Building, investment, provision, क्या पता गलती हुई नहीं है मुझे पता है. I'm just checking. Stock is how much? 45,280. What is stock? 45,280. Will you write investments in the balance sheet? No, sir. No, I will not write. क्यों? Are you a goldfish? गजनी हो क्या? भूल गए? इन्वेस्टमेंट तो सत्यम अपने लोन के सामने खा चुका, ले चुका. इन्वेस्टमेंट खत्म हो चुका. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So there will be no investment after stock. What do we have? We have bank. Bank is going to be an interesting item. Please pay attention to bank. Sir, bank में आपके opening balance कितना था? I have 95,720 in my bank account. Okay? I have 95,720. Sir, out of this, Sundar brought 20,200. Okay? And Satyam withdrew 86,900. How much are we left with? 95,720 plus 20,200. What is your answer? 1,15,920 minus 86,900. How much?
20,020.
29,020.
29,020.
29020 is your balancing figure. Please take the total of the asset side. 3 lakh, 1,44,000, 1,44,000, 4,44,000, 4,86,000. Yes. 5,82,900. 5,82,900. And the balance sheet tallies. This question was purposely solved in class. It was important because of this adjustment, which gave you automatically the closing balances. Normally the closing balances are the balancing figures, because of which this balancing figure and this balancing figure automatically becomes a new journal entry for you, impacting not just your journal completion but also the tallying of your balance sheet. This is your balance sheet tallied, and these kind of questions do appear in the examinations. This is another 10 out of 10 marks for you. Copy it down.